Hi, second grade. This is your spelling test. Remember to put your first and last name at the top of this test. You may pause the video if you need more time spelling a word, and play the video when you're ready for the next. Remember to type your words in all lowercase letters, and that this test should be done on your own. Let's begin. Number 1. Dish. My cat has a food dish. Dish. Number 2. Than. Carla is shorter than Jack. Than. Number 3. Chest. She stores clothes in a chest. Chest. Number 4. Such. We had such fun at the party. Such. Number 5. Thin. Cut an apple into thin slices. Thin. Number 6. Push. Push the door to close it. Push. Number 7. Shine. Use polish to shine your shoes. Shine. Number 8. Chase. Cats chase mice. Chase. Number 9. White. Jen is wearing a white shirt. White. Number 10. While. Dad whistles while he works. While. Number 11. These. Are these your books? These. Number 12. Flash. We saw a flash of light. Flash. Number 13. Dress. The girl's dress was blue. Dress. Number 14. Add. Add 1 and 2 to get 3. Add. Number 15. Off. The opposite of on is off. Off. Number 16. Fell. He fell and scraped his knee. Fell. Number 17. Whisper. You whisper in the library. Whisper. Number 18. Thumb. I hurt my thumb. Thumb.